I come bearing gifts.
Why do we gotta do this when I look like shit?
You look like shit no matter what. Should I leave that in the video?
You're gonna get roasted alive.
Let's go to the garage. You have 2 packages in there. They're both for you. One's sitting next to your car. Has been for about a week. You need to open the
I
damn
know
thing.
what they both are. One's a lip and one's a clutch.
Wrong. Come on. Let's go peek.
It is a front lip. What's this? Come on. If I could stop making those noises, that'd be great. Meerkats? What?
Are you confused?
I'm really confused. Ooh. Holy. These are way nicer than the ones we have.
Noble came out with some carbon mirror caps, and they're actually a mirror cap and not just an overlay. So technically speaking, they look the same, but it's actually a replacement cap.
Not just some chintzy
Here, you can
chunks.
swap them right now.
It looks the same, but you know it's doper than it was before.
Yes, good job, Bobby.
Come on, let's bring her over here. Oh.
Ping ping?
Whoa.
What?
What the frick? That's way cool. It's not the same, but it's cooler. Definitely not the same one.
I have one more package for you.
Definitely know what this one is.
What?
The clutch.
This is a clutch? That's a big clutch, my guy. Running an 8-disc.
What? Wait, what? Why did you get me these?
I didn't.
I literally was just looking at.
That's why I didn't let you order them forever, because you already got a set.
Are they the ones that I was gonna order?
I don't know what we're gonna order.
I don't know. Holy shit, these are awesome. I'm pretty sure these are the ones I was gonna get.
They're the ones that we run on all the Evos. Good old V-Leon Evo 10 lights.
We have to go put these on Barry today.
Today? I can't today, honey. I gotta work on the Evo 10 today. We'll work on your car all at once. I just wanted to show you the headlights right now, just so you don't like keep asking me, Devin, can we buy the headlights? Can we buy the headlights?
I was literally gonna place the order when you left.
Ooh.
I know.
So yeah, Bobby got a new carbon lip for her car, replacement mirror caps, and some Evo 10 headlights.
I just want to work on Barry so bad.
Well, friends, today is final assembly day of, damn, we don't have a name for this thing. What should we name this car? I don't think we ever named it. I don't know. Comment below what we should name this thing. Either way, final assembly day. Just some wiring, fluids. I guess it's everything back here on this back table. Core support radiator, AC condenser, intercooler, piping, CV axles, and then of course all the fluids. We got a few things to bleed. I'm not going to bleed the brakes. They're completely destroyed on this car, and I don't plan on really driving it right now. So I'll just get everything assembled, not bleed the brakes, because we're going to take them back off. There's no way in the world I can leave those things that crusty. Just got to figure out what color to do them. Gonna go ahead and start with some things underneath the car while she's up in the air. So let's get the, oh man, I should probably swap out that, get a little wire hanger. Let's get driveline on. Exhaust has got to be connected. There's the AYC line that we got to connect. O2 sensor. That's about it for underneath. Next up is wiring, oil cooler with lines. There's an AC line we got to run, the shifter cables, and then some fueling stuff. All right, let's go and tackle everything up front. So we got radiator, AC condenser, we got the core support, of course the intercooler. By core support, I mean like this top bar that connects up there. I call that a core support. It's probably technically called something else, but let's get all that dialed in. Move on to the CVs and suspension stuff, brake lines, ABS sensors, and then some good old fluids. Okay, moving on to the next item. Let's go ahead and knock out fluids right now. T-case is always not fun. Engine, trans, it's all easy. Coolant, but yeah, T-case, you kind of just gotta pump it up in there. We're using our typical Redline cocktail for the trans. We are using OEM Mitsubishi gear oil for the T-case. And then engine oil, what do we have here? Some sort of 530, I think we got EMS oil here. On a built Evo, I would run 2050, but that thing ain't built. So we are gonna use some AMS oil 530. Last thing, I hope I am not out of filters. If I'm out of filters, I'm kind of screwed. Oh shit. I might have to send Bobby in to grab me a filter. Would you like to be the best, well you already are, but you want to be an even better girlfriend and save us about 20 minutes?
What's that? You
Let's,
want me to go somewhere?
let's get out of the shitter for starters.
Wait, did you see how happy I got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bobby's stoked she got the toilet paper roll on. Can you go to O'Reilly's and please get me an oil filter? By the time you get back, she'll be ready to fire.
Can I sweep first?
Sweet. Sure. Absolutely. Perfect. You're the best. ×2. Bobby's gonna grab us the filter. Then we can do engine oil. I'm just gonna do water in it for now. I usually make that mistake of doing coolant right off the bat, which is no good. So we got radiator hoses, fill it up with some water, and then as soon as Bobby gets back, engine oil, and then I'll slap intercooler piping on, and she's ready for a first start. Yay! You ready to fire up, old girl?
I just want to hang out and bury.
Come on, you gotta start it for me.
But baby, there's lots to do in here.
Car is, huh?
I gotta start it for you.
What do you mean?
You know how nervous I get.
I gotta make sure she don't leak. Car's all ready to start. It's not 100% obviously drivable. We don't have wheels on it, but it's like 99% done. So Bobby's gonna hop in. She's going to start it up. We don't really have to do any sort of engine oil priming or anything. We didn't put a new motor in it or rebuild it or anything. So we're just gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. If it leaks, I'll tell her to shut it off. If it's knocking, I'll tell her to shut it off. Okay, engine, transfer, coolant, power steering. Should be ready.
Hold on. You don't need me to like get the gas going through the thing. Ready? Clutch in. Hold on, steering wheel's locked. Oh, steering wheel is not locked. It's not even put together. It's not letting me go. I'm getting anxiety.
I think I need to plug in the battery.
Probably. There we go.
Alright,
Ready?
I guess. Feels weird not priming anything. Oh, fuck! That's a fuel leak.
That's the biggest leak I've ever seen. That's the biggest leak I've ever seen.
Holy shit, it got me in the face.
What is that, gas?
Don't
put that in there.
Might help to tighten up the fuel lines, boys. What a noob.
That was kind of funny. Hey, that's my pen. Okay, ready?
Like, dang, I don't know. Oh, ah, shit.
All right, ready?
Third time's a charm. See what other leaks we got, I guess.
What is that? What is it for real?
My motor's knocking.
No, it's not.
That scared you?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm not very good at joking.
No, you're not. I'm not lying.
All right, fire it up.
What? What was it?
Me smacking these on the body.
Okay, here we go.
Not very exciting, being that she ain't built. We had 2 leaks though. We had a power steering leak, and we had a fuel leak, but now we're good. And then I scared Bobby with a wrench, so that was fun. A little bit of oil burning off from the power steering spray. Exciting, huh?
It is exciting. Next will be my car.
We kill it. We can hop out now. We're done, I guess, in the shop side. So yeah, I guess it's a wrap. That's not very exciting. It ain't like, it's all stock. I guess we can't build, I mean, we can build every Evo in the world built to hilt, but we don't have to.
What's gonna be really exciting is my car. Built
STI
to
or
the
Evo?
hilt. The freaking berry.
You have 2 cars going under the knife within like the next week. STI full fuel system, massive fuel system, double pumper with 2200s, an XCD twin, or maybe a triple.
Berry.
Gary and Barry are gonna be eating hard. I'm guessing 900, 902.
Wait. I haven't even, can I tell them that I'm not putting this car back to stock?
We already explained that.
No, you didn't explain it very well. Because I watched your video. I keep on getting DMs about what a shame it is that I'm like putting this car back to stock and how it shouldn't be my daily driver. But guys, I don't race my cars.
Yeah.
I don't do any of that stuff, and I still want this car to be around 600 or 700 horsepower, which is still insane.
It's that gap all you players out there.
Yeah, so don't be upset. I'm not putting this back to stock. This is still gonna be a very fast car, but I just need it like not as fast as it is right now.
So I think we're gonna do a Zona rotor. I've never ran a Zona before, and I hear really good things about them. I hear that they spool a little bit sooner than like a PTE or like a Garrett or even the Borg Warner that's on it. I don't even know who tuned this car. Was it WTF?
Yeah.
WTF built and tuned. But we have massive like elevation changes and shit. Like, and it's obviously turned way up, made 800, whatever.
I just don't want people thinking I'm gonna like make it stock. Like why? No. I'm not a stock gal anymore.
Okay, Bobby, okay. You're getting a little ahead of yourself. But yeah, a nice little Zona that spools a little bit sooner, but still makes the power of like a 6.2 or 6.4, 6.6. I think it'll be sick. So if this car like maxed out, made like 700, 800, 900, 1,000, but it spooled like a 6.2, that'd be gangster. Like, do you think my Evo 8 and Evo 10 spool too slow?
Yeah.
Oh, they do?
Oh, you're 8? You're 8?
My 8, my 10, they both have a 6.2, 6.6.
Your 10 spools really late.
They're about the same. What about like your STI? Does that spool good?
Oh my god, the best.
Okay, so if we have a Zona that spools like your car but makes more power, I don't even know if that's possible, but it might be.
Okay, what's in it now? Does that spool like sooner or no?
I think your current turbo spool is around 10,000 RPM. Honestly, I don't know. I've never once in my life ran a Borg. But yeah, I guess that's a wrap for today. There's nothing else we can do to the Evo other than like put the freaking wheels on. But we have all the body panels we still need to finish up body work on. Sand all the primer, get them sprayed out, and then this car will pretty much be done. Yeah, exciting stuff. Goodbye.